$700 in less than 40 hours?
Yeah, that's beautiful right there. Beautiful sunset in South Dakota. Go ahead and have a look.
And today I want to talk about, my earnings for last week. So it says here I earned a total of $1,000 and $1,014 last week with all my gig apps. So looking over my weekly summary, it's totaling up everything from November 14th to November 20th. For last week, I earned a total of $1,014. And as you can see here, from November 14th to November 20th, the average in my area, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, is $17.30. And I beat that by about $4, averaging about $21.41 per hour. So as you can see here from the chart, I'm making more than the average in my area, which is awesome. And I love using the Solo app because it lets me break down all my earnings by app, so as you can see here, I got my Spark, I got my Uber, I got my Grubhub, I got my DoorDash, and I can click on each individual one to see the breakdown of my earnings. As we can see here, I make most of my money on DoorDash last week. Them large orders, them catering orders, they really come in clutch. I mean, I've really just been cherry picking for those catering orders, and using that, I was able to really maximize and not really worry about trash offers, like this right here. I don't really worry about offers like that no more. 250, 8 items, 8 miles, that's not happening no day of the week. You work for Amazon, that's what it do. But let's go over a little bit more of these earnings. So it gives me a breakdown of what I earned day by day. So I can see I earned $217 on Monday, I earned $172 on Tuesday. These are all some pretty good numbers. And then let's go ahead and click on Friday and see what it says when we click on it. And you can get like a little detailed breakdown of all the base pay, the tips, incentives, all of that. So it's pretty cool. $1,014. So the way I track how many hours I work throughout the week is I use my overall active time on my DoorDash app, because that's pretty much the app that I have running at all times. So at any given time when I'm out working, DoorDash is pretty much gonna be on. And I pretty much don't have, I don't pause anymore, because I'm always cherry picking for a catering order. So if I go ahead and take a look at my earnings, my weekly earnings on DoorDash, and I go ahead and looked at my active time for that past week, November 14th to November 20th, I can see that I had a total dash time. So what I like to do is I like to go off of my dash time, because I always have the DoorDash app running. No matter what other gig app I may be working, I always have the DoorDash app running. So that gives me an accurate count of how many total hours I have the apps on throughout the week. Look at this, 432 for 4.9 miles at Subway. You see that? I'm not taking that. That's a bad offer. Taking offers like this, you will not be able to make $1,000 a week in less than 40 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and decline that, and we're gonna keep it going with what I was saying. So last week, I think I worked the total dash time of 40 hours, but I was only active for 18 hours on DoorDash, okay? I was only active 18 hours. $700 in less than 40 hours? Damn, that's pretty goddamn good. Well, I guess that wraps up this video. I got this Walmart Spark order right here. What's this? $13.50 for 1 mile. I like to start off my day like this. I go ahead and turn on Walmart Spark, see if I can get me a nice little Spark order going. And it's an ASAP pickup, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over there now, get that picked up. And it's a 1 mile drop off, so we're gonna be in good shape starting off our day.